Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing or unpackaging in this case the Skullcandy Jib Wired earphones with microphone. On the front of the package, we can see the earphones themselves through this clear plastic molded packaging. The Jib branding is on top, Skullcandy branding is in the middle, and the rest of it has some graphics that say with microphone and the model name. On the back of the package, we can see a bit more of the earphones through the molded packaging, and we also have a sticker on which we have some information regarding the importing and manufacturing. We also have the customer care information on it. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of some warranty information. This should help you register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Additionally, we also get a set of ear tips, which are smaller than the ones that are on the earbuds right now, so you can use whichever one is more comfortable. Coming to the earphones themselves, we can see that they have a purple and black color theme going for it, with black on the ear tips and on the wire, with some purple on the earbud body. The earbud body also has the Skull Candy logo on each of them. The earbuds are quite compact, and when it comes to the cable, we have measured it out to be approximately 4 feet in length. On the other hand, we have a 3.5 mm audio jack. It is of the TRRS kind, and there is the Skull Candy symbol on the jack as well. The microphone is on one of the cables, and that too has the Skull Candy symbol. To get started with using the earphones, all we need to do is connect it to a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. Now that it is connected, we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Jib in-ear earphones with microphone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.